In the hamlet of Salisbury Mills, New York, stands an old steel trestle known as the Moodna Viaduct. At 194 feet high and spanning 3,200 feet, it traverses a valley in New York from the north end of Scunnamunk Mountain in Cornwall to Salisbury Mills. It is the second highest and longest railroad trestle east of the Mississippi River, the Poughkeepsie Bridge of New York being the longest. Construction began in 1906 by the Erie Railroad. It opened for service in January of 1909. Still functioning today, it carries a commuter line from Port Jervis, New York, to Hoboken, New Jersey. On this third day of June 2018, the Union Pacific number 1943, which honors the U.S. military branches and personnel, crossed the viaduct in grand fashion. We were there to capture its epic grandeur as it made its way.